Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. In today's video, I am going to be doing a side-by-side comparison of the Steampod and the T3 Micro Singlepass X. By the way, don't mind my lip. I just got over a cold sore and I missed filming so much, so I was just like, I'm still gonna film. I'm still gonna film even with this like scar that I have still from my cold sore. But yeah, if you're liking my channel so far, subscribe and also follow me on my Instagram and TikTok. I post a lot of stuff on there that I do not post on here on YouTube, so definitely check out my Instagram and my TikTok. And let's get right into the video. These two straighteners are very similar. They're about the same price as well. So this one is $235 and then this one is $250. They're both a little bit pricey, but these hair tools are definitely like at the top of my list of my favorite straighteners that I have. I really like both of them, so I'm gonna be trying them on my natural curls. And I know last time I tried this one on like pretty straight hair, like blown out hair, and you guys really wanted me to try it on my natural curls, so I'm doing that today on one side. I'm gonna actually do my more curly side, which is this side, with the T3, and then I'm gonna leave the Steampod for this side, which is like a little bit less curly. I already prepped my hair, so let's get right into straightening my hair. I'm gonna divide my hair right in the middle in two sections, and I'm gonna start with the Steampod. I've had this for like a year, but it's been so long since I've used this straightener because I just get new ones and I always try different hair tools, but I really like this one. So this one, I just put water in here, and this is going to help the steam come out, and that's why it's called the Steampod. The steam also helps to add a lot more shine to your hair, and it just makes your hair look and feel more moisturized and soft. So yeah, I love the technology behind this hair tool. As you can see, it has two arrows down here, so you have to follow the arrows. It's a bit loud, but I don't mind it. And it's only loud when it's kind of like warming up. Once you start using it, it's not this loud. So I'm gonna detangle my hair just to make sure there's no knots. I'm gonna grab the hair, press the hair tool, and just slowly bring it down. You can also use a comb just to kind of help a little bit. So there's one pass. I like to do about 2 or 3 passes just to get a very sleek look. This also does bring a little comb that you can attach to the hair tool, but I prefer it without the comb. I feel like the comb kind of pulls my hair a little tiny bit, so I prefer to use my own comb and just kind of like brush it as I go. So I'm gonna do another pass. This one also creates beautiful curls, so at the end I'm gonna do a side-by-side curl comparison, and let's see which one looks better. You can also flip the ends a little bit. Love it. Look how sleek that looks. Like just 2 passes, pretty good. Okay, so there's one pass. I'm gonna do another one. Not bad, but I would say that I definitely need another pass because this is a very big section. So I'm gonna do one more. Okay, so here's that section. It looks really good. I'll probably end up doing one more pass just because I like my hair to be extra sleek. Anyways, I'm gonna finish this side and then I'll move on to the T3 side. Okay guys, I am done with the Steampod side, and this is what it looks like. I think it looks super nice and sleek. It looks very shiny. I use this in the heat setting for 10 degrees Fahrenheit, and it took me about 30 minutes to do just one side because my hair is curly, so it is gonna take me a little bit longer than if it were like blown out. So yeah, but I really like the final look on this side. This is completely empty, so I would have to refill this if I wanted to do all my hair, so just keep that in mind. Okay, so I turned this on and I'm gonna use this in the highest heat setting, which is also 400, I think 10 or 450. I'm gonna put it right here, but I like to use this one in the highest heat setting. It does get very, very hot, but I feel like my thick curly hair can definitely handle it. Okay, so I'm gonna try doing this side, and I'm just gonna detangle my hair very quickly. So with this hair tool, you're supposed to get a sleek look with just one pass. I don't know if that's gonna work for me with my curly hair, but we're gonna try it. So I'm just slowly bringing this down. I'm gonna use a comb just to kind of hold the hair. I have to flip the hair tool. I guess this would be considered 2 passes, but I guess this is what it looks like with 1 pass. I definitely have to touch up the ends a little bit, so I'm gonna do that now. Yeah, I feel like the hair kind of slides out of the hair tool a little bit more than with the Steampod. But yeah, that's what it looks like with about 2 passes. I feel like I would still have to do another pass for it to be super, super sleek. Yeah, it's definitely a little bit hard to do this with just 1 pass. I feel like for my hair, I definitely need a couple of passes. And I feel like the hair definitely slides out of it, so you definitely have to like try to hold your hair so that it doesn't slide out of the plates. Let me do a little flip at the end. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, that's pretty cute. I like that. I feel like I have to take pretty small sections with this one because even though the plates are a little bit bigger than the Steampod, I just feel like it doesn't grab the hair that well. I will say I definitely feel like this side is looking a little bit more sleek than this side, but I have to finish my hair and see how it's gonna look at the end because this side of my hair is way curlier than this side. So I'll be back with the final look and I'll give you guys my honest opinion and let you guys know which one I like better. Alright guys, I am done with the T3 side. So this is what it looks like. I feel like I'm liking the Steampod side a little bit more. I know that this side is easier to straighten because it's a little bit less curly than this side, but I don't know, I just feel like it doesn't look as like hydrated as this side. I feel like this side looks even healthier and it looks more sleek. I love the T3 single pass on pretty blown out straight hair. I feel like it definitely gives me a very sleek look. But if you want something that could work very well on your natural hair, I feel like the Steampod might be a little bit better. So let's do a curl on each side. So the Steampod looks like if it has a very big plate because of the sides, but this actually has a 1-inch plate, so it is going to give you a pretty nice bouncy curl. And then this one, the single pass, is a 1.5-inch plate, so it might give you a less consistent curl. So I'm gonna do one on each side so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm just gonna try to do a curl on this side, just slowly bringing this down. And there you have it. So look at that curl. I feel like the Steampod gives you beautiful bouncy curls that look so shiny, moisturized, and like super healthy. You see that? I absolutely love that curl. I think it looks really nice. Okay, so now I'm gonna do this side. Just going to slowly bring it down. And there you have it. So this is definitely more of a wave Definitely looks more like a beach wave. I feel like both of these hair tools are really good. They definitely are a little bit different, so it really depends on what you're looking for. But yeah guys, that is it for this video. Let me know in the comments down below which one you liked better. Did you like the Steampod better, or did you like the T3 single pass better? Let me know in the comments down below. And I hope you guys are liking my channel so far. Please subscribe if you're liking my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye bye.